Hello, Mackenzie. It's Baba. Today, I've got a new story for you. A brand new book just for you. You, Mackenzie Kaylin Malcolm. The book is called Super Truck. Can you see the Super Truck on your screen? Can you? There it is. Super Truck. We go back to the beginning and I'm going to tap. Here is Super Truck. He's there. Say hello, Super Truck. Hello, Super Truck. There's Super Truck in his garage. Can you see the garage? The garage is this bit here, and it looks like a triangle on the top with a rectangle. And can you see two little circles inside? So can you see them where my face is now? Those little circles are its lights. Let's see what Super Truck does. The city is full of trucks. All brave trucks. Some blue trucks. Some green trucks. Some red trucks. And they all do different jobs. A bucket truck fixes a power line. Bzz, bzz, bzz. A fire truck puts out a blaze. There's the blaze, it's on fire. Look, it's firing water onto the fire. The tow truck rescues a bus. Oh, poor bus. And the garbage truck, well, he just collects trash. There he is, collecting rubbish. One evening, it starts snowing. And it snows, and snows, and snows. The city is caught in a terrible blizzard. Look how much snow there is. The trucks can't move. But there's one truck missing. Who's missing? We got the bucket truck. We got the tow truck. We got the fire truck. Who's missing? Just then, the garbage truck sneaks into a garage and becomes Super Truck. Hooray! Look what's happened to the garbage truck. Super Truck. I wonder what he's going to do. He digs out the west side. He digs out the east side. He digs out the whole city. Hooray for Super Truck! The next morning, the trucks wonder about the mighty truck who saved them. Where could he be? It's okay. He's just collecting trash. Well done, garbage truck. The end. Right then, big boy. You're probably going to bed now. Or maybe you're looking at this and watching me when you're not going to bed. But anyway, night-night, big boy. Sleep tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Because Baba loves you. That's why. Night-night.